Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Discord link on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as can see now, to add your Discord link, all you have to do now, tap on this section where it says profile. So after you open up your profile like this one, as can see now, to add the Discord link, tap on this as can see now, edit profile section. After you tap on this edit profile, as can see now, here is it, as can see now, tap on this where it says this one bio, tap on it. So under this bio, as can see now, I already have a link on my bio section. As can see now, here is the link. As can see now, here is the link. I already have a link on it. All you have to do now, remove the link that is existing on your TikTok bio and paste in your TikTok and paste in your Discord link on your TikTok. So after you paste in your Discord link, so this save button will be active. As can see now, the save button on this option will be active for you. So just tap on this save button, it will take you back to this section, as can see now. So it will take you back to this option, so you can be able to see your Discord link like this one, as can see now. Now I have a link on it, as can see now, here is the link, so you can be able to see the link like this one. So that's it guys on how to add Discord link on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.